In today's video, I'll show you how to get a free Charizard in Pokémon Champions right now. First, the most important thing you need to know is that Charizard is usually not something you catch early in the game. Instead, it is typically given through special in-game events or mystery gift distributions. Right now, one of the main ways players are getting Charizard is through a limited-time mystery gift code event. When you enter the correct code in the mystery gift section of the game, the Charizard is sent directly to your in-game mailbox. To redeem it, open Pokémon Champions and go to the main menu. Then select Submenu and tap Mystery Gifts. Next, choose Get with Code Password and carefully enter the active event code. If the code is valid and still active, the Charizard will be delivered straight to your account. After that, go to your mailbox and claim it like any other reward Pokémon. Also, make sure your game is fully updated and your account is connected properly, because sometimes rewards won't appear if you're on an older version or not fully logged in. If you don't see the gift, it may mean the event has expired or is not available in your region, so always check the latest in-game announcements. And that's how you can get a free Charizard in Pokémon Champions. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.